Hello, my name is Philip and welcome you to my channel Learn Tech Philo. So whereby I'm going to train on how you can create a Neumorphism login form which will appear as this. So this is what you have. Then you'll have this one. So when you click here, so it says that please add field this one. So it says that it means that you have some validation. Right now you can insert your contact there, your email or your phone number, then your password, then you click on sign in, right? Then you'll have some text here. So this is what you call Neumorphism login form. Now to do this just need to come back to your create a folder on your desktop. So I've created a form here on your desktop whereby you'll have your HTML and your CSS. All right, now after that just need to go to your text editor whereby you'll open now and see that this is your HTML and this is your CSS, and you have linked your CSS here on your HTML file. Right now after that you need to create a div class, then you can call it content. All right, sorry, this is div class, right? Sorry for this. So this is content. All right, then after this you'll have another one here. You create another div class here, then you call it test. All right, then in between here you can call it login form. All right, now after that you'll have now your form and form action. Okay, sorry for this. So form action here you can just insert hash, then in between here your form, now you will create now your first div class, create your div class, then call it field. Right, then you'll have now to insert your input type. You'll have your input type, then you call it test. All right, after that you'll have a placeholder, then you can just enter email or phone. Right, so that's your placeholder. Then you'll also have, now let's copy all this. Let's copy this. You just copy that, then just paste it here. Then you'll have another input type here, will be password. Then here you'll say password. Right, now after that, before you close your form, now then here you'll have a button. You'll have a button, then you'll say this is sign in. All right, now after that you'll have another div class, then you can call it sign up. All right, let's call it sign up. Then here you'll say that not a member, you'll say love here, have now to say sign up. All right, now that's all. That's a complete HTML file. Now after that, you just need to come here into your, then you click here and open. Let's see how it appears. Now this is how now your form appears. You have your login, your email, and the password there. Then you'll have click on sign up. You'll also have that one. All right, now we want to style this. So now to style, just need to come to your CSS in. Then you'll start with the body. Let's start with the body, whereby you'll have now to say that height is set to 100%, and it is set to 100%. Then you'll also have display which is grid. You'll also, okay, sorry for this is display, whereby you'll have grid. Then you'll also have to place items, sender. You'll have also test align, which is center. Then you'll also have to set the background. You'll also have to set the background, which is set to background color, which is set to white smoke. All right, now let's set it to white smoke. Then you click here and refresh. And you see now the background is set to this one and it is placed to the center. All right, now after that, you need to style now your content. You need to style your content now, this one. All right, so you just need to copy that class name, and then here you come, you say that this is content. Then you'll have to style your content, whereby you'll start with width, which is set to 330 px, or you can just set it to, let's set it to 350 px. Okay, this is 350 here, this is 350. Then you will also have to set the background. You can set the background color, which is set to gray. You can set it to gray. Then you'll also have to set the box shadow, which is set to 3px, 4px, and 5px, which is set to gray. Right, now you'll also have border radius, set there, which is used for shaving the border radius, which is set to, let's set to 15px. All right, now let's refresh and see. Now this is how it appears to see. Now the border radius is set whereby it shapes the hinges. All right, now you need to set the padding. You need to set, okay, sorry, not body, is content, but you'll have to set the padding. You'll set the padding to 40px, 30px. Then you click here and refresh, and you see now it has increased. So you can also change as well. You can also change to something else, 15. So anyway, we continue. So we need now to style. We need now to style this. The test. Now we want to style the test. Now this is the test. Now this class name here to style the test, whereby you'll have now to set the color, which is set to blue. Okay, this is full colon. All right, Alright, now after that you'll also need to set the font size, which is set to 32 px. For the weight, you can also set the for the weight, which is set to 600. You also need to set the margin bottom, which is set to 35 px. Right, then you'll also need to set the test line. So this is let's refresh and see. You see now the size has increased to this one. So now we need next is to style the field. This one now, the field. I need to style the field. Alright. Content. Then we'll have the field. Now the background color is set to white, which is set to white. You also have the border radius, which is set to 25 px. Let's also increase the height. Let's increase the height, which is set to 50 px. Then the width set to 100%. 100%, right? Now after that, you need to change the margin bottom, which is set to 30 pixel. Alright, now I need to refresh and see now that's how it appears. Now the other thing, we need to style the input. Let's remove these border radius here. Okay, let's see how it appears. Right, now that's how it should appear. Now the other one is the field input. We need now to style the input, whereby we'll have now the height is set to 100%. Right, now the width is also set to 100%. Right, then after that you'll have now the outline, which is none. We'll have none. We'll also have the border, none. We also have the border radius. You can also now set the border radius to 25 px. Then you'll also have to set the background to set to white. Alright, now after that you'll also need to set the padding left, which is set to 45 px. Then you'll also have font size which is set to 20 pixel. All right, now you can also set. Now let's see how it appears. So you see, after refreshing, see now that's how it appears. Now the content is pushed to the photo pixel from this side, so the sender, so love also. Now right, this is now. All right. Now after that, you laugh now. See, so this is set to. Okay, let's remove this border here. Okay, then let's see, it appears. So that's how it should be. Then we'll also this is border. Okay. Let's remove this background, so which is making effect here. So let's remove this background, okay, for the field. Then I'll click here and see now the just shape. All right, now after that, let's now style the button, the content button. Then last, now this is a button whereby now we need to set the font size to 25, font size to 25 pixels. Also need to set the color, which is set to blue. We'll also need to set now the wind. We need now to set the wind, which is set to 100%. We'll also need to set the body weight, which is set to 50 pixels. Okay, this is 550. Then we'll use now to say the border is none, border none. Then the background still is set to white. Now after that, let's refresh and see how the button appears. So this is how it should appear, right? This is how it should appear. So okay, let's see why is it appear that way. Okay, let's see. Also need to set border radius, set to 25 px. Okay, still is okay. Let's see what's the problem. Why? Okay, this is what? Okay, sorry for this. This is not, is percent. All right, now this is with percent, not 5. Okay, let's see. Now that's okay. Sorry, so it just now appeared. Now the other thing is to set up the other one is for sign up. All right, here the div class for sign up. Now you have this sign up. To copy this class name, then come here back, then you'll also now need to style this. I'll now need to set the font size. Font size to 20px. Then you'll also need the color which is set to white. You can also set the margin top which is set to 20px. Then after that, then you can refresh and see how it appears. Now it's new white, the color. Now the other thing is to set up the link. So is to style the link whereby you'll sign up, then you copy this. This is what. Then you have okay for the link. Okay, this is link. Now let's remove this curly braces. Right, now the link should be in color which is blue. Can have text decoration which is a text decoration which is none. You can also set the font size to 22px. Then you can also set the cursor which is set to pointer, right? Then you can also have the font width which is set to 600. Alright, now after that you need to click here and refresh and see how it appears. Right, see now this is now right. You can also for the button also you can just say the cursor pointer. Right, now when you bring your mouse over there, then it changes to that one pointer. Right, when you click here there is no validation, so you just come to your HTML file. Then after this, after here, say required. This is remove this B. Okay, after this also here say required. Right, let's refresh. Now click here. This is a please fill out this field. Right, that's how you can create a simple Neumorphism form using HTML and a CSS only. It just did less than 20 minutes. So please guys, remember to subscribe, like and share my video for the more and awesome video in the future. Thank you guys. Bye.